welcome to New Moon Blooms by Frog Prince. I'm so delighted you've received your first box, your first weekly floral subscription box. I'm going to show you what's inside the box and tell you a little bit about how to arrange your flowers. First up, this is the box that it comes in. Inside the box you'll find all of your foliage and your flowers and a beautiful vase. Each time you sign up for a subscription you get a vase complimentary. Before we start, I think the best thing to do is to grab some fresh water and a nice scissors. Any scissors will do, and let's get started. So opening up our box, and inside you will see our lovely brochure, which tells you, it's a care brochure, it tells you all about your subscription flowers, what to expect, how to look after them and how to present them. Have a good read of that. You will also find your gorgeous New Moon Blooms vase. This is the perfect vase for arranging flowers in, and 2 sachets of flower food. Our packaging is all plastic, single-use plastic free and compostable. So these little packages, when you finish with them, can go straight into the compost bin, and your box can go into the compost bin or into your recycler. The same with your craft paper, and our ribbon is made from recycled plastic bottles, so we like to either repurpose it for gift wrapping or maybe to add a little bit of finishing touch to your vase. You'll also find a little envelope, and inside that envelope will be some different things. If someone has gifted you a subscription, you'll find a lovely gift card personalized to you with a message inside there. You will also find a nice thank you from us, which is to pass on the joy, little card. And you will see on our flowers it says during delivery we sleep, so wakey wakey. So your flowers are delivered dry and they aren't in water, and sometimes they can be a little bit limp, a little bit need to be woken up. So we like to start by taking the flowers out of the box, and we'll save the ribbon for later. These weekly subscription boxes are a great way for you to hone your floral skills. They give you an opportunity to get the best seasonal blooms around for really good value. And we buy direct from the growers in Holland, and all of our foliage is Irish. During the summer we also use Irish blooms. Inside this week we have Bugudi Chrysanthemums in an absolutely stunning colour, as you can see. So I like to organise my foliage and my flowers. So we leave them all here. It's a little bit messy, so you might need to grab a bin, but we'll see how we go. To start off, you take your lovely New Moon Blooms vase. We'll add in your flower food. Flower food is great, it keeps the bacteria at bay and feeds your flowers too. And it's really important, I would recommend changing your flower food every 3 days. So take the water out, add fresh, or put in new water, new flower food, and give the end of your stems a trim. In floral design, we usually start with a base of foliage, so that's what we're going to do today. And this is gorgeous Irish grown Eucalyptus from down west. And you'll see you've got a beautiful bunch, the smell is absolutely divine. In your brochure you'll see we tend not to have any leaves below the waterline, so keep your arrangement nice and clear below the waterline. Lovely stems, and give your stems a good trim at 45 degrees, so you can pop your stems in diagonally and we make a nice crisscross base. Your stems should be crisscrossed to make a nice little nest for your flowers to sit into. Again, check the height. You can cut down a little bit, don't cut too much off. Just to give a nice bit of height to your vase. Today I'm making this arrangement for a sideboard in my sitting room. So I'm going to put all of your flowers facing forward, but if you were doing it on a nice kitchen table or maybe your kitchen island, you can rotate it and have the flowers the whole way around. This eucalyptus is so divine. The smell, it tends to last longer than the week. So what I would recommend doing is when these flowers start to go, you can lift them out as and when they go, and you'll be left with this lovely eucalyptus. You can repurpose it into smaller vases around the house. And it should last. You just give it a trim at the end and keep it in fresh water. That is your foliage base done. Chrysanthemums tend to have lots of leaves, so we take all the leaves below the waterline. I like to take kind of quite a lot of the leaves off these guys and bring them back to just like this, nice and clean. And again, a nice angled cut, and in the first arrangement goes. You have two different sizes of chrysanthemums in here today, giving you nice variation. So I'm going to pop all these big guys in first. And again, take all your leaves off. And pop a little bit of variation in the height, just to keep them up and down so they're not sitting next to each other too closely in the vase. Again, I'm going to go a little bit shorter with this guy, so I'm going to put him down the front. I think I'll go shorter again the next one. One more guy, 6 of each type. The beauty of your subscription flowers is that they're always seasonal, and so you get really good value for money, and you have a new box every week, and you can subscribe weekly, fortnightly or monthly, whatever you desire. If you sign up for the year, you get a bit of a discount on your complimentary vase, or sign up for 3 months or 6 months, or you can just choose to pay as you go. Sign up and you can choose weekly, fortnightly or monthly deliveries. All in your control. You can pause it if you're heading off on holidays, hopefully soon. You keep this one really short. You can pop it in down there a little bit shorter, I think. Again, we actually have lots and lots of flowers here, so I think I might just dress off the back as well. And you can see what it would look like on your kitchen table, or maybe an island in your kitchen or in your wardrobe. Is your arrangement all ready to go. As you can see, enjoy the smell. It is so gorgeous. It can be used anywhere that you like it, gift it. Your finishing touches, as I mentioned earlier in the video, your ribbon, really nicely to reuse it either for gifting, or we can pop it on the front of our vase here. Create a little bow. Nice warm colors for this time of year. And to brighten up any room. Enjoy your flowers, and don't forget to tag us on newmoonblooms.ie on Instagram, and we run competitions all the time, creative competitions for people's arrangements, so please do tag us and let us know what you think.